This Somali artist is on a mission to nurture and spread creativity in Mogadishu. In a small studio, Masla Abdi Dahir trains young people to express through painting. The space is unique in the capital, where access to formal art education is limited and creative pursuits are often misunderstood. Dahir, who trains 50 students every 2 months, said challenging this perception about creativity is a crucial part of his work.
Among the various challenges I have faced, the lack of equipment and encouragement stands out. Additionally, many people do not understand the essence of the arts or the use of a pen in artistic expression. In some places, there is a belief that the arts are sinful, further complicating the pursuit of creativity.
Still, his students are finding their voices, and their work is beginning to spill into the streets. Residents paused to admire their paintings at a recent exhibition, many of which express hopes for peace in a country healing from decades of conflict. Dahir says the goal is not just to teach technique, but to create a space where young people can imagine something different for Somalia.